is equal to e raised to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So first of all, we write the auxiliary equation for above differential equation. So the auxiliary equation is d square minus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0. For this we can write d minus 2 bracket square is equal to 0. D is equal to 2. Okay. Roots of the given auxiliary equations are 2 and 2. 2 is real and repeated. So complementary function can be written as c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x. Now we move towards finding particular integral. So particular integral is equal to 1 upon f of d into capital X. Here our f of d is 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 4 into capital X is e raised to 2x upon 1 plus x square. So we have seen the type particular integral when capital X is equal to e raised to x into capital X. Then we replace d by
d plus 2.
right. So here e raised to 2x into 1 upon d plus 2 bracket square minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 4 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. After simplifying, we get is equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 4d minus 8 plus 4 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. After simplifying, we get is equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon d square into 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon d square can be written as e raised to 2x, 1 upon d as it is, and 1 upon d is nothing but integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. And integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is? Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is? Tan inverse x. Again, 1 upon d is nothing but e raised to 2x as it is. 1 upon d is nothing but integration of tan inverse x dx. Now we have to find the integration of tan inverse x. So, for finding the integration of tan inverse x and log x, we multiply it by 1. So, is equal to e raised to 2x integration of tan inverse x into 1 dx. Now, integration of tan inverse x into 1 dx, we can write as e raised to 2x tan inverse x as it is integration of dx minus integration of derivative of tan inverse x into integration of dx and dx. So is equal to e raised to 2x. Next steps x into tan inverse x minus next step क्या असणार है derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square and derivative of integration of dx x. Okay. So next step will be is equal to e raised to 2x as it is x into tan inverse x minus integration of x upon 1 plus x square dx. Here we have to do some adjustment, that is multiply numerator and denominator by 2 for finding the integration of x upon 1 plus x square. We get 1 by 2 integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Here we have to use the formula integration of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to log of f of x. Okay, we have to use this formula. Here derivative of 1 plus x square is
2x.
2x and 2x कुठे numerator ला आहे. So this formula is applicable. In the integration of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to log of f of x. So we can write is equal to e raised to 2x x tan inverse x minus 1/2 into log of 1 plus x square. हा आपला काय झाला particular integral. Now we can write complete solution or general solution for above differential equation as y is equal to cf plus pi. Okay, so y is equal to our cf is c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x plus our pi is e raised to 2x x into tan inverse x minus 1/2 log of 1 plus x square. This is our general solution or complete solution of given differential equation. Okay, so write down these first of all. Okay, we have given differential equation as d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e raised to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, have you done with it or not?
No, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Huh? बोला.
MCQ send करा ma'am.
Sorry.
MCQ send करा की
हो हो, मी
group वर.
लिहून काढलेत सगळे 25 MCQ. आज मी सेंड करते. लेक्चर झालं की असाइनमेंट नंबर पण आणि MCQ सेंड करते.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, have you done with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next slide. Write down this formula in your margin. integration of f dash of x divided by f of x is equal to log of f of x. Okay, next example. Write down the next example. Solve d square minus 6d. Solve d square minus 6d plus 13 into y is equal to 2 raised to x. Okay, first of all, we have to write auxiliary equation. So, auxiliary equation for above differential equation is d square minus 6d plus 13 is equal to 0. So, roots of the given equation will be d is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, right, divided by 2. After simplifying, roots of the above equation will be 3 plus minus 2i. So, from this complementary function is equal to e raised to 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is nothing but the complementary function of above differential equation. Now we move towards finding particular integral for above differential equation. Pi is equal to 1 upon f of d into capital X. Here our f of d is 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 13 into capital X is 2 raised to x. Okay. Now we can rewrite this 2 raised to x as is equal to 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 13 into e raised to log 2 raised to x. काय फरक पडतो का? e and log will get cancel. आपल्याला काय मिळेल फक्त 2 raised to x. So is equal to 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 13. Log of 2 raised to x can be written as e raised to x into log
Log 2.
2. Now this is of the form 1 upon f of d into e raised to x. In this we just replace d by f of a into e raised to x. So here we can write, sorry, e raised to x avaita.
D by log 2. D is equal to log 2.
Right. 1 upon, here we are replaced our d by log 2.
Log
So
2.
1 upon log 2 bracket square minus 6 into log 2 plus 13 into e raised to x log 2. This is nothing but our particular integral. So the complete solution can be written as y is equal to CF plus PI. So the complete solution is y is equal to CF plus PI. So our CF is y is equal to e raised to 3x C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x, and PI is plus e raised to x into log 2 into 1 upon log 2 bracket square minus 6 into log 2 plus 13. This is our complete solution for given differential equation. Okay, we have given d square minus 6d plus 13 into y is equal to 2 raised to x. First of all, we have written the auxiliary equation for given differential equation, that is d square minus 6d plus 13 is equal to 0. Then we find the roots of the auxiliary equation, and roots are 3 plus minus 2i, which are imaginary and distinct. So we can write complementary function as e raised to 3x C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. Now we find particular integral. Pi is equal to 1 upon f of d into capital X. Here f of d is d square minus 6d plus 13 and capital X is e raised to 2x. We can write 2 raised to x as e raised to log into 2 raised to x. Again we can write log of 2 raised to x as x log 2. So 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 13 into e raised to x into log 2. So which is of the form e raised to 1 upon f of d into e raised to ax. In this form we replace our d by a. So we have replaced here d by log 2. Here coefficient of x is log 2. That's why we have replaced our d by log 2. So final answer or particular integral will be 1 upon log 2 bracket square minus 6 into log 2 plus 13 into e raised to x, that is e raised to x into log 2. So the complete solution can be written as y is equal to CF plus PI. So y is equal to e raised to 3x C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x plus e raised to x into log 2 1 upon log 2 इथं 2 राहिलंय bracket square minus 6 into log 2 plus 13. Okay, have you done with it? Next example. Write down, solve d square minus 6d, solve d square minus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to e raised to 3x divided by x square. Okay, so first of all we find auxiliary equation for above differential equation. So the auxiliary equation can be written as, auxiliary equation is d square minus 6d plus 9 is equal to 0. D square minus 3d plus 9 is equal to 0. So d minus 3 minus 3, d minus 3 is equal to 0. So d minus 3 and d minus 3 is equal to 0. So roots of the given auxiliary equations are 3, which are real and repeated. So complementary function can be written as c1 plus c2x into e raised to 3x. Now we move towards finding particular integral pi is equal to 1 upon f of d into capital X. Here 1 upon f of d is d square minus 6d plus 9 and capital X is e raised to 3x divided by x square. Okay. So next step is we can write our f of d as d minus 3 into d minus 3 into e raised to 3x divided by x square. So first we operate 1 upon d minus 3. Okay, 1 upon d minus 3 as it is. We have formula that is 1 upon d minus a into x असेल तर आपण काय करत होतो is equal to e raised to ax into integration of e raised to minus ax into
x.
So here we can write.
Hello ma'am. e raised to 3x कॉमन काढून होते की डायरेक्ट
चालेल. e raised to 3x कॉमन काढून काय करायचं नंतर
ते d minus 3 ऐवजी d plus 3 म्हणजे d 1 upon d square येते.
अच्छा ओके ओके चालेल. d ला d plus 3 ने रिप्लेस करायचं असंच म्हणताय ना.
येस मॅम.
तसं सॉल्व करायचं का. ठीक आहे. काय असेल नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Here e raised to 3x as it is, replace d by d plus 3. d plus 3 bracket square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 9 into 1 upon x square. ठीक है. So is equal to e raised to 3x. Simplify होते पुढे.
Yes ma'am.
Square plus 6d plus 9 minus 6d minus 18 plus 9 into 1 upon x square. Okay, next step काय राहील is equal to e raised to 3x into 1 by d square राहील ना फक्त.
Yes ma'am.
into 1 upon x square. So is equal to e raised to 3x into 1 by d. Integration of 1 upon x square is
minus 1 by x.
Minus 1 by x. Again is equal to e raised to 3x. Integration of minus 1 by x is
minus log x.
right. So minus e raised to 3x into log x. दोन्ही आता जे आपण हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करणार होतो 1 upon d minus a into x, त्यांनी हे आन्सर हेच येते minus e raised to 3x into log x. ओके, तुम्ही कुठलीही मेथड यूज करू शकता. सो हे काय झालं आपलं पर्टिक्युलर इंटिग्रल. सो फायनल आन्सर काय असणार आहे आपलं y is equal to cf plus pi. Okay, write down this. मी ते काय केलं, पहिल्यांदा d-3 इथे अप्लाय केलं, परत हे d-3, पण आन्सर माझं -e⁻³ into log x आलं. फाइनल आंसर लिहा तुम्ही, y is equal to cf plus pi. cf लिहा c1 plus c2x into e⁻³ and pi minus e⁻³ into log x. Okay, have you done with it?
No, ma'am.
Just 2 examples are remained, then we have done with this chapter. In next lecture, we will see the new chapter, that is Z transformation. Okay. Okay, have you done with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down the next example. Second last example of this chapter. Solve d2y divided by dx square. Solve d2y divided by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e⁻² x. So first of all, we write the auxiliary equation for given differential equation. So the auxiliary equation is d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. We can write as d square plus 2d plus d plus 2 is equal to 0. d plus 2 plus 1 into d plus 2 is equal to 0. So d plus 2 and d plus 1 is equal to 0. So roots of the above auxiliary equations are -1 and -2. And from these roots, we can write complementary function as c1 e⁻⁻x plus c2 e⁻²x. Now, particular integral is equal to 1 upon f of d into capital X. Okay, here f of d is 1 upon d square plus 3d plus 2 into capital X is e⁻⁻x. Okay, so next step, we can write f of d as is equal to 1 upon d plus 2 into d plus 1 into e⁻⁻x. Now we use the formula 1 upon d plus a into x is equal to काय होता e raised to minus ax into integration of e raised to ax into x. बरोबर ना? Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we operate d plus 1. So what it will become? We are only operating 1 upon d plus 1 into e raised to x. So e raised to x into integration of e raised to minus x. बरोबर ना?
No, ma'am. Minus बाहेर येणार.
Minus बाहेर येईल plus r into e raised to x.
X.
Okay. So next step. Now we put e raised to x is equal to t. So put e raised to x is equal to t. So e raised to x इथं dx येईल ना आपला e raised to x into dx is equal to काय येणार आहे dt. So above equation will become 1 upon d plus 2. हे e raised to minus x आपण as it is ठेवणार आहे. e raised to x into dx is equal to काय आहे dt and e raised to x is equal to t. So इथं फक्त काय येईल e raised to t into dt and integration of e raised to t dt is equal to काय असणार आहे काय असणार आहे e raised to t ना बरोबर का चूक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it will become is equal to 1 upon d plus 2 into e raised to minus x and e raised to t is e raised to x. Now operate 1 upon d plus 2 on this. This will be considered as x. So is equal to काय येणार आहे e raised to काय येईल d plus 1 ऑपरेट केलं तेव्हा इथं काय आलं होतं आपलं e raised to minus x आलं होतं इथं d plus 2 ऑपरेट करतोय बाहेर काय येईल e raised to
Minus 2x.
minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x into x काय आपली ही whole term into e raised to minus x into e raised to x. Again we put e raised to x is equal here e raised to 2x and e raised to minus x काय होणार आहे काय होईल
E raised to x.
right फक्त e raised to x. So is equal to e raised to minus 2x into e raised to x into e raised to x dx. Again put e raised to x is equal to t. E raised to x dx is equal to dt. So is equal to e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to t dt. So is equal to e raised to minus 2x and integration of e raised to t is e raised to t. So e raised to minus 2x and we have put t is equal to e raised to x. So this is our particular integral. Y is equal to CF plus PI. Here our CF was C1 e raised to minus x plus C2 e raised to minus 2x and PI is e raised to minus 2x into e raised to x. Okay. Write down. Here we have given our capital X as e raised to x. Then we have just written our f of d as 1 upon d plus 2 and d plus 1. First of all, we have operated 1 upon d plus 1 on e raised to x and put e raised to x is equal to t. Just by substituting, we have found the value of 1 upon d plus 1 into e raised to x. Write down this. One last example and then we will done with our chapter number 1 in which I have taken lot of examples. Okay, we have covered all examples in homework also, sorry, exercise also. Okay, have you done with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down next example. Sorry, write down this. Okay, write down. Next example is solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e raised to minus 2x x cos x. So first of all, we have to write the auxiliary equation for given differential equation, that is d square plus 4d plus 4 is equal to 0, and roots of the d plus 2d plus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0, d into d plus 2 plus 2 into d plus 2 is equal to 0, d plus 2 is equal to 0. So roots are d is equal to minus 2 minus 2. And from this root we can write complementary function as c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 2x. Now we find the particular integral as 1 upon f of d into capital X. Here 1 upon f of d is d square plus 4d plus 4 into capital X is e raised to minus 2x into x cos x. Here if we consider x cos x as capital X and here e raised to x, then our d is replaced by
d minus 2.
right, 1 upon d minus 2 bracket square plus 4 into d minus 2 plus 4 into x cos x. So next step will be 1 upon d square minus 4d plus 4 plus 4d minus 8 plus 4 into x cos x. So minus 4d plus 4d minus 8 plus 8 will get cancelled. 1 upon d square into x cos x. Here 1 upon d square is nothing but 1 upon d, and 1 upon d is nothing but integration of x cos x. So 1 upon d as it is, integration of x cos x can be written as x into integration of cos x dx minus d by dx of x into integration of cos x dx into dx. Barabar? So next step 1 upon d as it is, x into integration of cos x is
Sin x.
sin x minus derivative of x is 1 into integration of cos x is sin x dx. So next step काय असणार आहे?
Ma'am, you miss e raised to minus 2x.
सॉरी,
E raised to minus 2x.
कुठे? अच्छा, e raised to minus 2x लिहायचं राहिलं इथे. इथूनच लिहायचं राहिलं ना, e raised to minus 2x, e raised to minus 2x, e raised to minus 2x divided by e raised to minus 2x. इथं इंटिग्रेशन साइन राहिलं होतं ना आपलं, बरोबर?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आता काय इज इक्वल टू e raised to minus 2x upon d x sin x
Plus cos x.
plus
Cos x.
cos x. Now again here 1 upon d. परत काय येणार? इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ होल टर्म. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी e raised to 2x, sorry, e raised to minus 2x as it is, integration of whole term x sin x plus cos x dx. So next step काय असणार आहे? e raised to minus 2x integration of x sin x plus dx plus integration of cos x dx. So is equal to e raised to minus 2x x as it is, integration of sin x minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of sin x dx and again dx plus integration of cos x. So next step काय असणार आहे? is equal to e raised to minus 2x integration of sin x is
Minus cos
minus
x.
cos x minus derivative of x is 1 and integration of sin x is
Minus cos x.
so integration of minus cos x dx plus integration of cos x is sin x is equal to e raised to minus 2x minus x cos x, then integration of cos x is हे माइनस माइनस काय होईल?
Plus sin x.
प्लस sin x and plus काय येईल? sin x. So e raised to minus 2x minus x cos x plus 2 sin x. हे आपलं काय झालं? पर्टिक्युलर इंटिग्रल. फायनल आन्सर काय असणार आहे? y is equal to cf plus pi. So y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to minus 2x minus x cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, this is our complete solution. Write down this.
हेलो मैम,
हाँ
बैक साइड क्या है 2 मिनट।
ओके
डन मैम।
Okay, have you done with it or not?
नो मैम।
Done, ma'am.
Write down example for your homework and
हेलो मैम,
हाँ बोलो
1 मिनट बैक साइड गया।
ओके
डन मैम।
write down 2 example for your homework. Try to solve it. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to sine of e raised to minus x. We have seen the example sine of e raised to x. So just follow that method. And second one is d square minus 1 into y is equal to 2 upon 1 plus e raised to x. Okay, for this solve as 1 upon f of d into x. 1 upon f of d can is d square minus 1 can be written as d minus 1 d plus 1 into 2 upon 1 plus e raised to x. Then by partial fraction solve it. The value of a and b are a is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2. Try to solve it. Okay. Okay, just after this lecture, I will send assignment number 1 MCQ, and then tomorrow I will send whole notes of whole chapter. Okay. असाइनमेंटचे क्वेश्चन लिहिताय का सेंड करू? हेलो
मैम सेंड करा ग्रुप पर।
सेंड
करा
करेन.
मॅम.
ठीक आहे, मी सेंड करेन. ओके ठीक आहे, we will stop here. Next session is of your group discussion. GDN का what PI ना? Okay, ठीक आहे, we will stop here. Wait, I will take attendance. 1, 2. Roll number 3, A03. Absent. Wait, I will take screenshot.